Good day traders, I have another free strategy trading IQ option with digital options. Like this video, and subscribe to get the latest strategies in trading. The strategy is so simple, by reading the trader's sentiment on left side of the chart. If the trader's sentiment goes 70% up, let's go for a buy. As long as the sentiment goes down, let's go for a sell. But we need to see the chart. The 5 seconds candle time is the technique on how to win the trade. It's very simple. Let's see the chart. If the pattern goes to this, we must also to set our bars into Heiken Ashi, so that we can spot the trend. Look at my previous trades, with almost 70 to 80% winning percentage. Let's start trading, and use our strategy. If you can see, the pattern is a zigzag pattern with less fluctuations and stable. See the full video and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you.